Django, check if value in values underscore list with and without prefetch underscore related, select underscore related. I've observed this behavior, and I don't quite understand. Let's say I make a query. And I get. Then I want to check if a certain value is in the list of PKS returned. This will return true, but if instead I change result to, I still get. But when I do, I get false. I tried using select underscore related instead, and that returned true as I expected. Can someone explain to me why the difference?
Are you using Django 1.5? There was a bug that caused the in lookup to fail when using prefetch underscore related. Bug 20242. This has been fixed in Django 1.6.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.